Freshman Day 2021.
I'm excited about all the opportunities Wilbur Cross will give me as a school.
I am excited about having real students in my classroom and having in-person classes.
Hola, estoy emocionada este año porque por fin regresamos a clases presenciales y no tendremos que estar online todo el tiempo.
I'm excited to be at Wilbur Cross because I can finally talk to people in person again.
Hola, bienvenidos a todos los estudiantes. Estoy muy emocionada para conocerles y nos vemos pronto.
I'm excited this year because it's a new year and we get to see more faces and we get to play way more sports are available now, and I'm excited for that also, for more games.